I'm Fabi from Infinity Insurance, and today I'm going to give you 10 easy steps to help you learn how to parallel park. So let's get started. First, find the right space. Find a space that's several feet longer than your car and pull up right next to the car you are planning to park behind. Next, position your car to the parked car you wish to park behind. It's important to let other drivers know your intentions, so do so by braking and turning on your turn signal. Before reversing, make sure to check your mirrors and look over your shoulder. Now it's time to put your car in reverse. Release the brakes and slowly begin to reverse your car along the side of the parked car until you see the other car's plate in the middle of your window. Turn your steering wheel to the right. Straighten the steering wheel as you continue to move backwards. Once the front of your vehicle has passed the back bumper of the vehicle in the parking spot in front of you, begin to turn your steering wheel to the left. Once you reach your desired parking position, be sure to check how close you are to the cars in front and in back of you. Remember to leave no more than 12 inches of distance from your park position to the curb. Now you're a parallel parking expert. Until next time.